I'm excited to report on the latest developments from SpaceX. Elon Musk's company has built a new rocket called Starship, which was set to launch into space on Monday, April 18, but was postponed for at least 48 hours due to a frozen pressure valve. Starship is designed to be the most powerful rocket ever built. Standing nearly 120 meters, 400 feet, tall and with almost double the thrust of any previous rocket. The aim of the uncrewed mission is to send the upper stage of the vehicle eastward to complete almost one circuit of the globe. Elon Musk has stated that Starship is designed to be fully and rapidly reusable, envisioning it as the future of interplanetary travel for ordinary humans. It's expected to fly people and satellites to orbit multiple times a day, much like a jet airliner crisscrossing the Atlantic. Musk hopes that Starship will completely upend the rocket business and usher in a new era of space exploration. The rocket was set to be launched from Boca Chica, Texas, and thousands of spectators had gathered along the Gulf of Mexico to witness the event. However, the launch was called off minutes before takeoff due to the frozen pressure valve, causing disappointment among the crowd. Despite this setback, SpaceX plans to try again later this week, aiming for 90% thrust, which should deliver something close to 70 meganewtons, equivalent to the force needed to propel almost 100 Concorde supersonic airliners at takeoff. Assuming everything goes according to plan, Starship will rise up and head downrange across the Gulf, with the 33 engines on the bottom of the methane-fueled booster burning for 2 minutes and 49 seconds. At that point, the two halves of the rocket will separate, and the top section, the ship, will push on with its own engines for a further 6 minutes and 23 seconds. The Super Heavy booster will attempt to fly back to near the Texan coast and come down vertically to hover just above the Gulf's waters. It will then be allowed to topple over and sink, while the ship is expected to re-enter the Earth's atmosphere after almost a full revolution of the Earth, coming down in the Pacific just north of the Hawaiian Islands. In the longer term, SpaceX expects both the booster and the ship to be making controlled landings, so they can be refueled and relaunched. The company has been experimenting at Boca Chica with different approaches to building the steel stages. NASA, which is giving SpaceX almost $3 billion to develop a variant of Starship that is planned to land astronauts on the Moon, will also be closely monitoring the progress of this mission. Overall, while the delay of the launch was undoubtedly disappointing for those who had gathered to witness it, it's important to remember that launching a rocket of this magnitude is no easy feat. SpaceX is pushing the boundaries of what is possible in the rocket industry and taking us closer to a new era of space exploration.